Okay, this is a quick tutorial on how to invite students to your Canvas page. Some of you chose to use Canvas for your individual assignment, and based on contact with a few of you, I'm seeing that some of you are having issues with getting the invitations out. Keep in mind that this course has a marker, it has a second examiner. You need to ensure that you place a link where each of those persons can self-enroll into your course. I am going to demonstrate how you can do that. If you have already submitted your assignment and you have not placed a link in your summary write-up where your marker or the second examiner can access your page, then it stands to reason your work will not be marked effectively because the marker may not have access to the page in question. So if you did not put a link, I am now going to go through a tutorial to guide you in placing this link, just in case you did not explore Canvas well enough to find that link. So you have the people in your course. So this is an example of the course. This is my course. Again, it's a sample course. You must publish the course. So first thing to notice is that the course is published. So you must publish the course. If you don't publish the course and try to send invitations out prior to publishing the course, it will not be delivered. So you must publish your course first. Once you've published your course, you go to the settings page. Once you are at the settings page, you scroll down, and here it talks about, remember we went through all of this. I think I would have gone through all of these in the tutorial. And in particular, here is where I allowed my students to self-enroll. So you must check this box. Let students self-enroll by sharing with them a URL or code. This is the information here. So all you need to do is copy this address and paste it at the beginning of your submission document for your assignment. Just like I demonstrated in the Google Classroom, where students will just copy the link and paste it at the beginning of their assignment. It's the same for this. Here is where you find it. If you want, you should, my advice to you at least, you should do this as well. So you can copy these two things and place it at the beginning of your assignment. So I will copy, and then I will go to a Word document and paste this at the beginning of my assignment. Once you have finished with that, you can go ahead and submit your assignment. There's no need to send me any invitations or anything like that, because once I see this link, or once the marker sees this link, they can click on it and they will join your class. I hope I have clarified and helped those of you who have used the Canvas method.